age adjusting, PVL, and cerebral palsy. Sorry, part 2, I forgot to tell you what to do. So what I want you to do is a newborn movement assessment, and you're going to see the complications there and the rotational responses and weight transfer. I really would like you to get into the Worried Parents support group, or at least do my baby boot camp. But the support group takes you through. I want to go through the basics. I want to go through tummy time. I want to see if we can settle down that system, especially work around those hips. And what's going on possibly in the throat. That'll give you the swallow course, because I'm not here to overwhelm you. I'm here to support you so you and your baby get help. But that's where the conversations are going and where you want to go first. You want to do the breathing course first. Anything to do with cerebral palsy, breathing course first, because there was oxygen deprivation. And even though you're saying my child breathes fine now, it's still not established as well as it could be. And it'll help teach you touch. And the newborn movement assessment, those are first. And I'd like to start from the beginnings with tummy time.